If I tell you, say I love you, oh. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby.
Hi guys, Nikki Lindsay here, back with another video, and today I bring you another makeup tutorial. I just have this fall cut crease eye look going on. It is 8:51. I'm actually about to go somewhere. Y'all know I always film my videos and I never go nowhere. I'm just going to Walmart, but hey, I'm getting at the house and I'm going somewhere. Someone gonna see this makeup tonight, honey. Don't mind my finger. I freaking cut it washing dishes with a knife. Don't ask questions. We all been there. We all done it. But yeah, if you would like to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. I'm gonna go in with my Bravo conditioning primer to prime these brows. While these dry, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Kat Von D Super Brow Pomade in the color Walnut. Like always, I like to go in with my Benefit Gimme Brow in the color number 5, and I like to just put that on top of my brow. So I'm gonna go off camera and do my brow, and then I will be right back. With this Anastasia Contour Cream Kit, I'm gonna use this color right here, which is the color Chocolate, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid as a base. So I'm gonna go ahead and just blend that out. To continue, I'm just gonna go in with my Smashbox primer water, and I'm just gonna spritz that on my face. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Soft Glam palette, Sienna and Rustic. Well, actually, no, I'm just gonna take the color Rustic and I'm gonna place that as my transitional color. I'm just going in with this large NYX fluffy blending brush in the number 17, I believe it is, and I'm gonna take that color Rustic and put it as my transitional. Same brush, I'm gonna go back in with this palette, and I'm going to take now Sienna, which is right here, and I'm gonna put that into my transition as well, and into my crease just a little bit. Basically using Soft Glam for this look. I'm gonna go back into the Soft Glam palette, and I think I'm gonna take the color Mulberry, which is right here. I'm gonna take Mulberry. I'm gonna put that into my outer V in my transitional. I'm gonna go in with my Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna take the red color, and I'm going to put that into my crease area. You have the red in your crease. I'm just gonna go in with this black color by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Noir. I'm gonna put that right into my crease area with a very detailed crease brush. This is by, I believe, Morphe or No Name brand, again from IMATS, but I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm going to focus it right into the crease area. this is what I have so far. I don't know how I'm feeling about it, but we shall see. Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C12, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease with this concealer. I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty Smoky Obsessions palette, and I think I'm gonna go in with this color on the bottom right here, this one, and I'm gonna put that on my inner portion of the eye. I'm going in with this color right here, and I'm going to put that on the middle portion of my eye. I don't know how I feel about that color, so I'm gonna go in with my Soft Glam palette, and I'm gonna take the color Rose Pink, which is this one, and I'm gonna put it on top of the second color I just laid down. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, which I barely even use, surprisingly. Chocolate Gold, which is right here. And I'm going to put that on the outer portion of my eye. Black. There's a black in this Too Faced palette. There's a black in this Too Faced palette right here. I'm trying not to show y'all the mirror to blind y'all, but I'm gonna take this black and I'm just gonna darken up that black on the very out corner of my eye. Just like that. I'm gonna go in with the freaking lettering came off. I'm gonna go in with my NYC liquid eyeliner. I'm not gonna do like a wing. I'm gonna do that thick eyeliner where it starts out small, ends up thick. I'm gonna do that look. I'm gonna go in with a little brush and pack on some black eyeshadow onto the black liner just to mattify the liner. so I have one eye complete. This is what we have thus far. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye, and then I will be right back when both eyes are complete. Okay, so I went ahead and I finished the other eye off camera. The camera is not doing this eye any justice, honey. Okay, so I went in and I put on my lashes. These are just some beauty supply store lashes. The brand name is Iconic. I will put everything down below in the description box. But I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my face. To prime my face, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Cover FX blurring primer. This is the bomb. I'm just gonna go ahead and squirt. This is the best primer ever. If you want a smooth complexion, get you the Cover FX blurring primer, please. So for foundation, I'm gonna go in with two foundations. First, I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Studio Skin 15 Hour Wear Foundation in the color 4.3, and I'm also gonna go in with my NYX Stay Matte Not Flat Foundation in the color Cocoa. Just a little bit of this mixed together with this. To highlight, I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the number 30 Cafe, and I'm gonna dot a little bit of my Makeup Revolution concealer on top. Same drill. If you saw my previous video, I will link it right here in the cards. It was the Halloween video. I highlighted with the same type of thing, but go check that video out if you have not seen it already. Okay guys, so I'm so sorry, my camera died. This is why I wish I had 2 batteries, but my camera died. So while that was charging up a little bit, all I did was go into my waterline and use this Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Whatever Black. I just put this onto my waterline and I smudged it out with a black shadow, no other color. I put a little bit of the Crayon Case and Glola highlighter. I put that underneath my brows and down the center of my nose just a little bit with my Anastasia Glow Kit. This is one of the first ones she's ever made, and she doesn't make this one anymore, which is so sad, but this is this one. You could use any nice golden highlight, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the color Golden Bronze, Dripping in Gold, and Bubbly, and apply that as my highlighter on my cheekbones. Go in with my Urban Decay Naked Illuminator, and this is in the color Lit, and it looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and top that on my highlight. In with my e.l.f. Cosmetics blush palette in the color Dark. It just looks like this. You guys know what it looks like, right? I'm gonna go ahead and take, the camera's not doing it any justice, but I'm gonna take this corner color right here and we're gonna apply that as blush. Blush brush and mist my face with my Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. This is a nice setting spray. It has a nice mist. I love it. Now we're gonna move on to the lips. I'm taking my Stila Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the color Noti. It's just a nice burgundy color, kind of matches my sweater. I'm gonna take that and outline my lips with it. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora matte lip stain in the number 13. I don't know the color of it. I'll put it down below in the description box. I'm gonna put that into the center of my lips because I don't want my lips to be all the way vampy dark yet. Guys, so this is the final look. Know what you guys think down below. Like, comment, and subscribe again to this video and to my channel if you have not. Check out my previous videos and keep a lookout for my new upcoming videos. So yeah. Follow me on all my social media sites. They will be listed down below in the description box. Once again, let me know what you guys think of this look. And until next video, y'all.